And Mom, I'm in the middle of a video. No, you did not hear your name. What is good, Simply Nation? It's your girl, Simply JoJo, and I'm back with another video. So, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a Bantu knot, teaching you guys how to do a Bantu knot out. Is that what it's called? But yeah. So my hair is stretched because I washed it yesterday and put it in 4 braids so it can be stretched. And then when I went out today, I just put in a puff so I can take this video for you guys. I'm just going to dampen my edges because it has the edge control. I found it, guys. I found my edge control. Yay! The products I'll be using for this Bantu knot out are literally just hair mousse. That's about it. Because with the Bantu knot out, the issue is it takes forever to dry. So the wetter your hair is, the longer it takes to dry. So I've been doing this for years. I've been doing Bantu knots for years, and the best method I found for doing Bantu knots is actually starting off on dry, stretched hair, whether you blow dry it or you do like what I did, which was basically 4 braids, and then the next day just comb it out. I'm just parting with my hands because I don't ever do a definite part with my Bantu knots. To me, it doesn't make a difference. Like, the parts don't make a difference. So I take a medium to large section because I want my Bantu knots to not be so like compact and close to my head, because the smaller you make it, the more like the coilier it is, and the more shrinkage you get. I don't really like extreme shrinkage when it comes to the Bantu knot out, so I grab medium to large sections. I usually grab smaller sections in the front if I'm trying to do a bang, so also keep that in consideration if you're trying to do a bang, what you're trying to do, because you can do different sizes around your head, so it can have like a different effect. But I think I might do a side part with this Bantu knot out, so everything's going to be medium / large sizes. So you take your section. I'm literally just gonna
this much, not too much. It's actually a lot, but not too much. And what I do is I twist it. I start braiding. And then I go into a twist. I'm gonna add a little bit more product at my ends because I don't want them to be too frizzy. Because I do want this to last a week. And then I Bantu knot it, which is just twisting your hair into itself, making like, and just keep twisting as you're twisting it around into a small, kind of like a top knot bun. And here's one Bantu knot. And then
I'm going to continue around my head. As you guys can see, I'm going in and I'm applying the mousse. I'm twisting up my hair. And guys, I literally forgot to to apply a little bit of water so my hair can be moldable. That's all I'm gonna say. Now you guys are gonna just watch the results after. Okay, I'm all done. I definitely look like Kodak. I look like Kodak, but in the morning, the results will be worth it. But quick disclaimer, these are a bit uncomfortable to sleep in, and you don't have to sleep in them. What you can do is do it earlier in the morning. Like I said, don't put too much product so it can dry quicker. And as soon as it's dry, your hair will literally form. But I will show you my results in.
So it's the next day, and I'm just gonna take off my bonnet. We're gonna take out these Bantu knots. So first I'm just gonna apply some oil on my hands. I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna demonstrate how I take out one of them, and then I'm just gonna speed it up throughout my head, and then I'll show you my final results. So I just unravel it from the way it came, and I just pull it out. And then from there, I just start carefully unbraiding, untwisting, and then at the end, at the root, it's like, there's braids, so it breaks it up into, and then I'm just gonna continue around my head, and we'll be back.
at this moment, I knew I messed up.
Now, I was trying to go for a more defined look with it.
Y'all, I literally realized after that I did not spritz a little bit of water into my hair before, guys, before doing this.
I was trying to go with a more defined look, and you know what? I'll be right back. I'm gonna fix this. I'll be right